Sagarmala, they want to fund for passenger boats, they want to fund for tourism purpose jetties, which earlier the opposition had created a big hue and cry that they are meant for coal transportation, which is untrue. Coal cannot be brought to Aldana, coal cannot be brought to Pomburpa, coal cannot be brought into Shapora river. So it is only for passengers and for tourism purpose, and we will build these jetties after the public hearing. Tender documents will be out. Tender process is on right now. Public hearing we are waiting for. In few days it will happen. There is a lot of unlimited funding is there. They are ready to give us because they know that we have the potential. A state which already has the inland waterways. We have beautiful rivers and our pristine river line. Small jetties which are movable, which are not fixed jetties, can be built.
दुबई आणि सिंगापूर प्रमाण गोयात ट्युरिझमाक वाव आसा म्हूण CIIचे परिशदेक मंत्री मॉविन गुदिनो उलयलो. आंतरराष्ट्रीय पातळीचेर ट्युरिझम हाडपाक गोंय केंद्राकडेन फंडाचे बाबतीत आशेन पळयता अशेंय माविनान सांगलें.
Dubai, I am a frequent visitor. Whenever I go there, my heart cries. From a desert, if this land could be converted, not that I am by any way suggesting that Goa should be another Dubai. We will adopt our own model which is suitable for us. But looking at a desert being converted into such a wonderful place with so much of economic activity, everything buzzing around, Singapore is another example. While not aping Singapore or Dubai, Goa can be one of the best places in the world. Therefore, I would like to also humbly appeal to all the central officials here. If anyway we are lacking in our efforts to put forward to you all schemes or our demand in the manner that it is required, you have to go a little out of the way, help us in that, make us avail of the funds.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आणि सिनियर विजे तुळशीदास च्यारी.